Are you looking to make your painting projects faster, smoother, and more professional, but confused about which airless paint sprayer to choose? Then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll showcase the top 5 best airless paint sprayers. Reliable, powerful, and packed with smart technology. So without further delay, watch till the end and discover which one is the perfect fit for you. Let's get started. Item number 5. The SucceBuy Airless Paint Sprayer is available in powerful 750 watt and 950 watt models, delivering up to 3,000 psi for smooth, professional quality painting. With flow rates of 1.2 to 2.0 liters per minute, it easily handles medium to large projects. This sprayer works up to 5 times faster than rolling and 12 times faster than brushing. Fan-shaped atomization ensures even coverage with minimal paint waste. Built with a durable metal frame, long high-pressure hose, adjustable speed control, and easy clean design, it's ideal for walls, ceilings, and furniture, making painting faster, cleaner, and more efficient. Item number 4. The KK Moon Professional High-Pressure Airless Paint Sprayer is a powerful electric painting solution designed for home improvement and construction work. Powered by a 750 watt motor, it delivers fine atomization with smokeless operation for smooth, bubble-free finishes. With a spraying flow rate of 1.2 liters per minute and output pressure up to 20 megapsA, it ensures efficient and consistent coverage. The compact metal body, portable handle, waterproof switch, and pressure gauge make it durable and easy to use. Ideal for doors, furniture, walls, ceilings, and low-viscosity paints, it's perfect for both indoor and outdoor projects. Item number 3. The high-pressure airless electric latex paint sprayer is a professional-grade, portable tool designed for smooth and efficient painting. Featuring a 6-stage pressure adjustment from 1,500 to 3,000 psi, it delivers precise control for latex, oil-based, and water-based coatings. Its advanced airless technology eliminates air bubbles, producing ultra-smooth finishes in a single pass. The large 1.2-liter material tank reduces refills, making it ideal for extended projects. Compatible with Makita 18-volt and 20-volt batteries, this lightweight, ergonomic sprayer offers up to 2-3 hours of runtime, ensuring comfort, efficiency, and professional results for interior and exterior painting tasks. Item number 2. The Fengke FK595 Electric Airless Paint Sprayer is a professional-grade tool designed for high-efficiency painting. Equipped with a 2,600-watt brushless motor and piston pump, it delivers up to 3,000 psi for smooth and consistent coverage. The sprayer handles a maximum projection volume of 2.6 liters with an optimal spraying distance of 30 to 40 centimeters. Its steel structure ensures durability, and the 13-meter hose allows extended reach for large projects. Ideal for home decoration, epoxy flooring, oil paint, tiles, ships, and industrial surfaces, this versatile sprayer makes painting faster, cleaner, and highly precise, meeting both professional and DIY needs. Item number 1. The Fengke FK2030 Professional Airless Paint Sprayer is a heavy-duty machine designed for putty, plaster, and paint applications. Powered by a 4,000-watt electric motor, it delivers up to 3,300 psi for fast and even coverage. The sprayer features an 8.5 to 10-liter cup capacity and a spray range of 10 to 60 centimeters, ideal for large-scale renovation and construction projects. Built with a durable steel structure, it handles epoxy flooring, oil paint, tiles, and more. Included is a 25-meter high-pressure hose and spray gun, ensuring extended reach. This robust, high-efficiency airless sprayer is perfect for professional teams and demanding DIY tasks. Which of these airless paint sprayer is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.